stick it on the envelope.
Trey, I think the envelope's open, hun.
Yeah, this side.
Oh. Hey, look.
Ready?
And look. And this one for me. And a brush too.
Okay.
It's a monkey. What does it say, Dad?
Oh, Trey. Oh, that's pretty stuff.
What does this say?
Let me see. I'll read it. A Valentine for you.
Yeah.
No Valentine's Day would be complete without you to make it extra sweet.
Hey,
Love, love,
cool,
love
look
you.
at this.
Is that chocolates? What's
Ooh,
that?
Look at this.
What's that, Phineas and Ferb?
Yeah, and look at this.
How did Grandma and Grandpa know that Phineas and Ferb and Super Friends are your favorite?
It's a book.
Ready?
Dad, look at the book. I know it's a book. It is a book.
It is.
Nice. Yes, we both got books. And these books are awesome. And look, I got candy. Superhero candy.
Oh, wow! Remy, what did you get?
Wow.
Really? Yay! What do you say? Trey, what do you say, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.